In this video I'm going to show you how to find the area of a triangle using trigonometry. First of all, I'll show you where the simple area of a triangle formula comes from. Here we've got a triangle, and first of all I'm going to turn it round so one of the sides is on the horizontal. It's easiest to find the area of two triangles first, and I've got a yellow and a blue one here. If we take this part of the yellow triangle and turn it round, you see it fits across the blue triangle and turns into a rectangle. The other side turns into a rectangle as well, and now we've got a big rectangle, and you should know what the area of a rectangle is, and in this case we're going to use base times height or length times breadth. Now we're going to take two triangles separately, and you can see two triangles here, so the area of each of these triangles has got to be half of that rectangle we had before. So we have the area of a triangle is equal to the base times the height divided by 2. In this part I'm going to show you how to find the area of a triangle using simple trigonometry. The triangle we're going to do there, the first thing we'll do is when we draw it, we'll draw it round that way. So we now get the triangle like that. Put in the 52, don't bother the units, the 5 and the 6. Using simple trig we could find the height, because if we draw a line down there, you see that it's a right angle triangle, which means we can use simple trigonometry and we'll draw the triangle. So we've got a triangle like that, and that's the side we're looking for, and that's 5 and that's 52. We can't use the 6 because 6 is the whole way along. Okay, so name the triangle now. That's the opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. So we can now see which one it is. I'm not going to draw the whole of SOHCAHTOA out since it is the first one. So we get SO, because we've got opposite and hypotenuse, no adjacent. That's the one, and we're looking for the opposite. So it's S times H. I'm going to, for this purpose later on, I'm going to put it the other way around and put it H times S. So we get O equals H times S. So X here is equal to H, which is 5, times sine. S is sine, so it's sine 52. So we now know what the height is. We could work out the height at this point, but we're just going to keep that as the height. Just hold it just like that. So now we can put area equals, and we've got base times height divided by 2 equals base of our whole triangle is 6 times the height, which is this, times 5 times sine 52, which we can work out on the calculator, but I'm not actually going to do it here because the purpose here is to compare it to see where the formula comes from. Now if we look back at the triangle here, and I'm going to name it A on the angle BC. So we'll get a small c there, small b there, and we can see what we've got from there. Oh, I forgot to put over 2. So we've got area equals, and we've got 6 is b, times 5, which is c, times sine of the angle A, and this is all over 2. And that's the formula that you're going to use. When you see it written down, you'll see it written as area equals a half AB sine C. It's better to fit in with the earlier work we've done to actually use the A in there and put BC there. And don't put a half at the beginning, put it at the end. And that is the formula that we're going to use, because instead of the base times height, we've got BC sine A. That is the formula we're going to use when we're doing the simple problem next. I'm now going to show you how to find the area of a triangle just using the formula. That's all you're going to need to do in exam and test questions. So all we do is copy down the triangle, mark in your sizes, 105 degrees, 7.2 on the meters, 10.2 on that side. Now, I prefer it round that way, where we make it BC sine A, so you can just put in the A on your angle, ABC. Then you've got a C there, you've got the B there, and the one we're not using is the A there. Now simply write down the equation. Area equals B times C times sine A all over 2. So we've got, putting in your numbers, take a look, we need a B, and the B is 10.2 times the C, and the C is 7.2 times sine of the angle. The angle is 105. Remember, close your brackets when you're on the calculator. So all you do now is pick up the calculator. So we put in our numbers, 10.2 times 7.2 times sine, and it's 105. Remember to close your brackets, divided by 2 equals, now our number there, we've got 35.46, so the 6 will round up if we want it to one decimal place, so we get 35.5. Have a look at your sizes, they're in meters, so your answer must be in meters squared, because we're doing an area and it's in square meters, so it's meters squared, and that's to one decimal place if you want to write that, although it's not desperate. And that is all you do. Now, I'm not going to do any more examples, I'm just going to give you a couple to do yourself. It's as usual, you press pause while you're doing the questions, and then you'll get the solutions. Press pause, attempt the questions, then press play to get the solutions. If you didn't get the same answers, then have another look at the video.